Good morning from Atlanta.
Illinois, that is.
Atlanta, Illinois.
We have been wanting to do this for a long time. It's probably not going to be a very big video, very long, but we came over to see the Giant Museum.
The American Giants. So a long time ago, we started chasing these muffler men, or the big fiberglass guys. We've been kind of like, every time we're in an area around the country, we like to see them. So here is the headquarters for it all. Let's take a look.
Okay.
Hey, this is typical small town Illinois. I love it over here. It all kind of started with the giant muffler man that was holding the hot dog, and they used to sell hot dogs at the base of it. They had a little hot dog stand there, but I think it's really cool here in this little town. You've got the grain elevator, you got the library museum, which is in a Carnegie library, and just a lot of cool stuff. But one of the neat things that they've recently added is the American Giant Museum, or the Muffler Man as they call. We just got treated to the high-speed Acela train coming by. That was pretty cool. But now we're going to walk in and take a look at this museum. Okay, as we mentioned, we're pretty excited about this because we've been watching this online being built.
Well, and if you've watched us any length of time, in the Astrovan we had the Gemini Giant on the dash, which we still have him. He's just not in our new van yet. So I don't know why, but we find these fascinating. So honestly, this is just a quick trip, a couple hours drive for us. Yeah. And
we came over to see it. Come on in and take a look. So standing outside, they have one of these Texaco men. This was a standard outside of Texaco stations years ago, but they called it the Texaco, the biggest friend. Okay, it's starting to rain, so I want to get out here really quick and show you. They've got 3 giants outside, and they've got pads for 2 more here. And of course, then they've got them around town too. But this one is called the Snurd. And I remember when I was a kid down in Bagnell, Missouri, right there on Lake of the Ozarks, there was a Snurd there. I think it might still be there, but they've got one here that's been totally restored. And then this one was the Carpet Giant, and I'll try to give you some more information here in a minute. I want to get these videos before it starts raining. But there's the Carpet Giant, and of course this is the Phillips 66 Cowboy. That's pretty cool, and I'll try to give you some information on these. Let's buzz over here really quick on the other side. Here's the Texaco friend, And they've got it up right out front here, front and center. There's very few of these things across the country, so they're really hard to find. And I got the whole story on that. I'll give it to you, but that is probably one of their prized collections because they're so rare. Now this building is just a reproduction. There was a gas station sitting on this corner. They kind of just did a reproduction of an old Texaco station, and it makes it quite interesting to look at. Let's do this. Nancy's making some lunch for us, but I want to run down here where we were at before when we started this thing, and I want to show you something down here. Okay, so this giant here is been here since I believe about 2006. It was part of the collection they had at Bunyan's hot dog stand, and it was just an attention getter there for them. And then when they closed the store, they didn't want to leave this there on the property, so they were trying to figure out what to do with it. And the Route 66 Association in Illinois proposed to put this thing here in Atlanta, so that's what they did. And this is what kind of started the giant craze here in Atlanta, Illinois. And they've got a placard here telling all about it, but it's kind of the beginning of the craze for the American Giants here in Atlanta. That was our quick stop here in Atlanta, Illinois, at the American Giants Museum.
It was a fast trip.
We just in time. I do not have
a polka knot dress on. I got out in the rain to get our pie here at the Pie Lady, and she has her own statue and a bobblehead.
So Nancy took some pictures. When they started doing all the Giants around here, there's a shop here that makes pies. They hand make pies.
My wife is famous.
Yeah, she's a world famous pie baker, and her husband had a giant made of her, and put it here to go along with all the other giants in town. So we ran over here to take a picture of this.
To get pie. I have cherry cheesecake. Ed got
coconut cream.
Coconut cream pie.
So we came here to close out the video and say goodbye to you all, and boom. Thunder boomers. It's really coming down.
So I got pretty wet coming in and out, but so it was worth it.
Hey, that was our quick trip over to Atlanta, Illinois. I hope you enjoyed it, and hey, if you're within a couple hours of here, it's a great day trip over.
We found out that 2026 is the 100th anniversary of Route 66.
So next summer, we'll be heading over here. Check this out for sure. So, all right. Now we got to make our way back home.
In the rain.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye now.